Hello learners, welcome to mathematics. Today I have an integration problem where you are supposed to integrate this problem. This type of integration is of indefinite integration where we are supposed to add constant to the solution. So I have two examples, but let us first start with this one. Solution. So we have the integration of 4 cos 3x with respect to x. So we know that the general integral of a trigonometry integration, where we have the trigonometric identities, is given as follows. For example, here we have cos. This is our trigonometric identity. So it will be cos ax is equal, with respect to x, is equal to 1 over a sine ax plus c. So we have a is the coefficient of x. For example, here our coefficient of x is 3. You can see it here. This will be our a. So let's move straight to the solution. So the integration of 4 cos 3x with respect to x, it will be, so here we have the coefficient of cos 3x, so we can write 4 there. Then integration of cos 3x, which is equal to 4, we multiply by, here we have dx. So here we have 4 times the integral of cos 3x, which is given by 1 over, our a is 3, so it will be 1 over 3. Then cos ax, we have ax, so it will be 3x. All of this, we add a constant there. So if you open the brackets, you will have 4 over 3 cos, not cos, sine. Here we have sine. The integration of cos is sine. Sorry for that. So we will have 4 over 3 sine 3x plus c. And this is the correct solution for this problem. Let's now move to part B. In part B, we have the integration of 5 sine 2 theta with respect to theta. So the general formula for integration of sine is given by the sine a theta or ax with respect to theta is equal to negative 1 over a cos a theta, then plus c. So we have 5 sine 2 theta with respect to theta, it will be 5 the integral of sine 2 theta with respect to theta. This will give us 5 times the integration of sine 2 theta, which is given by negative 1 over a cos 2 theta, then plus c, which is equal to negative 5 over our a. Our a is 2, so we write 2 there. Then multiply by cos 2 theta plus c. This is the solution for the problem. Remember to subscribe and comment if you've got interested in this video. Thank you.